Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've got what you need. A 71 Chevelle convertible with a 454, a 4-speed tranny, and factory air conditioning. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get the pricing, all the specs on this one and a few hundred other cars. But right now, let's take this one for a spin. I got it out of North Carolina. Overall, good solid car, good driver quality. The car shows beautifully. It's not perfect. There's a little nick or a little touch up here or there, which I'll point out a few of those. But it's a good solid car, runs and drives great. It's got a lot to offer. That combination in a red Chevelle convertible, very desirable. It's got the stock 15-inch wheels. BFGoodrich tires look like they're pretty new. Overall, the paint is nice and shiny. A little something going on right here. That is a factory seam right there, and the convertibles flex. They all will eventually crack there. Stripes are painted on. You don't even feel them. The bumper's new. Got the right cowbell exhaust tips. Clean trunk compartment. It's got a jack, spare. It's all painted nice. Weather strip is good. Black power convertible tops in nice shape. Door jamb here. Nice, new weather strip, door panels, upholstery, it's all really good. These little chrome things have never been replaced. So little things like that you could tweak to make it a little nicer, but it's again, overall really good car. It's got the factory gauges in the dash. Clock is ticking, has a nice digital retro stereo, kick panel speakers. It looks like it has satellite. It's got a little microphone up here for the hands-free function. Front bumper, headlight bezels, the marker light bezels, it's all in nice shape. This has the SS raised hood. Beautiful, bright shiny red, a chrome Edelbrock intake, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's got a big dual feed Holley with electric choke, HEI ignition. It's got an aluminum water pump. Everything under here looks really good. Air conditioning's been updated with 134 Freon, and I can see there's just lots of new components on the air. So that system's been gone through. A nice interior, dash pad's real good. Let me start it up for you. Underneath is solid. The front end's been rebuilt, has new ball joints. It's an M20 Muncie 4-speed, has Flowmaster exhaust. Just be a fun car to drive, pushing through those gears with a 454 under the hood. Not a 402, but a 454. Got the sport mirrors, of course the bucket seats and the console, interior lights work, got all the seat belts. Visit volocars.com. Again, that's where you'll find all of our cars. We do list the prices and all the resources. We have financing, shipping. I have a whole staff of people, and their job is to help you get your dream car. So there's plenty of ways to contact us on our website. Let us know any questions or concerns you have about any of the cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where you see the cars first as the videos are made. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.